Module 6, Building and Leading Digital Teams. Module Overview. In today's hyper-connected and digitized world, leadership effectiveness no longer depends solely on vision, charisma, or financial management. It increasingly depends on how well leaders can build, manage, and empower digital teams to innovate, adapt, and thrive. This module delves into the art and science of digital team leadership, equipping you with the mindsets, skills, and strategies required to succeed in an environment where physical boundaries have blurred, global collaborations are standard, and technology plays a central role in teamwork. 1. Foundations of building digital teams. To effectively build a digital team, leaders must start with clarity of purpose. Unlike traditional teams, digital teams require a strong shared vision because physical cues, in-person interactions, and organizational culture may be weaker in virtual environments. Leaders must articulate a compelling mission that resonates across cultures, align goals with both organizational objectives and individual aspirations, ensure that team members understand how their roles contribute to the bigger picture, reinforcing a sense of belonging and relevance. Leaders also need to design for diversity and inclusion. Digital teams often consist of people from different geographical regions, time zones, and cultural backgrounds. This diversity can fuel creativity, but only if leaders foster a culture of mutual respect, empathy, and cultural intelligence. 2. Skills and competencies for leading digital teams. Effective digital leadership requires mastering new competencies that go beyond traditional management. Digital fluency. Leaders must be comfortable with communication, project management, and collaboration tools, Slack, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Asana, Trello, etc. Emotional intelligence in virtual environments. The ability to read digital cues, show empathy through written or video communication, and address emotional needs remotely. Agility and adaptability, navigating constantly evolving technologies and shifting business landscapes. Empowerment and trust building, focusing on outcomes instead of micromanagement while establishing trust as the foundation of team relationships. Data-driven decision-making, using analytics to track performance, engagement, and collaboration patterns within digital teams. 3. Building trust and collaboration. In a virtual context, trust is the currency of digital teams. Unlike co-located teams, digital team members cannot rely on informal hallway conversations, shared meals, or spontaneous brainstorming sessions to build bonds. Leaders must intentionally create opportunities for trust and collaboration through transparency, open communication about goals, expectations, and challenges, reliability, delivering on promises and modeling accountability, recognition and appreciation, celebrating achievements, both big and small, to reinforce motivation, psychological safety, encouraging members to share ideas freely, make mistakes, and take risks without fear of ridicule or punishment. Digital collaboration also requires clear rules of engagement, including communication protocols, meeting etiquette, and response time expectations. Leaders who set such norms help reduce ambiguity and increase efficiency. 4. Managing remote and hybrid work dynamics. With the rise of remote-first organizations, leaders face new challenges, managing time zones, coordinating across multiple geographies without creating burnout, avoiding digital fatigue, balancing productivity with well-being by reducing unnecessary meetings, creating connection in isolation, building community through digital town halls, informal check-ins, and online team-building exercises, ensuring equity in hybrid teams, preventing proximity bias, where in-office workers are favored over remote workers. Strong digital leaders create inclusive systems where every voice is heard regardless of physical presence. 5. Technology as a leadership enabler. Technology is the backbone of digital teams, but leadership determines how it is used. Leaders must select the right digital tools for collaboration and productivity, Balance automation with human creativity. Protect data privacy and cybersecurity while promoting openness. Harness AI and machine learning to enhance decision-making without diminishing human judgment. Ultimately, technology should empower people, not replace them. A wise digital leader ensures that tools support connection, creativity, and collaboration. 6. Motivating and sustaining high-performance digital teams. Motivating digital teams requires rethinking engagement strategies. Traditional methods such as office perks, in-person recognition, or casual socialization don't always translate into digital environments. Leaders must create meaningful digital recognition systems, badges, shout-outs, peer acknowledgements. Encourage continuous learning and development through online training. Foster a growth mindset where adaptability is celebrated. Use performance analytics to provide constructive, personalized feedback. The best digital leaders are not only managers, but also mentors and coaches, guiding their teams toward both professional excellence and personal well-being. 7. Leadership mindset for the future. Building and leading digital teams is not about mastering every app or tool. It's about shaping a leadership mindset that thrives in a digital-first world. This mindset is collaborative rather than hierarchical, flexible rather than rigid, human-centered rather than purely technology-driven, purpose-driven rather than profit-driven. Leaders who adopt this mindset will not only manage digital teams effectively, but also inspire them to push boundaries, innovate, and lead transformation in the 21st century.